I'm standing in my kitchen, and hold on. Okay. Trying it.
I bet they're real good.
Yeah, come over here.
Yeah. I need clippers.
Squeeze it into the pantry, please.
I'm laying here.
It's really good. It's like the little baby bunk cakes.
Yep.
I can't believe she don't like them. She liked the bunk cake, didn't she?
Did
Did you like it?
I already know what it tastes like.
Did you not want to try it?
No. I just want to sit here.
Well, try it. Just try a little bite. I think you'll like it. Well, if you don't like it, you don't like it. That's all right.
I gave it a thumbs up.
No, but that was a false thumbs
Yeah.
up. Anyways,
They're
guys.
really good. Alright.
Yeah, I love them. Like, comment, subscribe,
There's
share.
none of them in here.
And y'all have a blessed day. Bye.
What? No, it won't be in the open. Put on here. I'm going to taste one of these.
Yes. I don't think you guys can see that because of the light. Did you see it because of the light and stuff?
Probably not. Give me a knife.
Daddy, Mommy needs a knife.
I don't need my fanny pack. Thank you. Nice. I love these little knives I got from Walmart. Yeah, it was the back of the school sale. Here, hold this, like this.
Like this?
Yeah.
Go see. You make up this later.
Okay, look.
We're doing mine.
Hold on, don't turn around.
Like to see it.
They look so good. They smell like lemon.
It is lemon. Y'all look at my pantry.
Yeah, so pretty. And guess what? What I did the top.
And I did the popcorn.
And Savannah and I did the muffins.
Y'all like it? Organized.
Give it a thumbs up.
That makes me so happy. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Y'all,
Mom, you have it.
if y'all seen, yes, I know. Leave it. Leave it. That
They're so funny.
that is for seasonal things. That's evaporated milk, apple filling, pie filling, condensed milk. So that's all that's in there. And then the evaporated milk is that, and then condensed milk. I got that for my Kool-Aid pies, but I didn't make one. Then there's my corn muffins. And
Corn muffins. I did the corn muffins.
yeah, you helped Daddy put the corn muffins in here. And during Thanksgiving, Walmart had them for 42 cents. Got them, and then they rung up 30 cents. Oh, no, actually it was 25 cents. And then when they were on sale for 25 cents a box. And then when they rung up 15 cents. That's what it was. And so I got, each box was 15 cents. But I got 24 when I thought it was 25 cents. Okay, so that's what that is. That's corn muffins. And then this is the green tea and the regular tea. Because Gary don't like green tea. He likes regular tea. Now that box is filled with chips. Not all Utz chips. It's that's when I buy the big 50-pound bag of chips. And then like the last little bit, that box keeps getting refilled. But it is full. Let me see if I can show y'all how full it is. Yeah, see, look, it's filled to the tip top with chips. And yeah, and then this bucket was just, it's holding the spot now. Right. Whoops. No, I didn't. And then, so this is just holding the spot because so that I don't put anything in its place. Now, this is the last of the corn puff cereal and the last of the fruity thingy cereals. And I only did that because that's where the 2 boxes of cereal will go. Then this is mango and oranges and peaches. So this is a thing of peaches that's not open. And then in here are these peaches, real peach cups, and mango and oranges cups. This is applesauce. I love, love, love applesauce. Okay, now next tier down. See, there it was, back over here. Now, here is just miscellaneous cans, which is just 2 cans of fruit. And then this is my creamer. This one is unopened. I got this from Sam's. It's this big. And so I haven't opened that one yet because I got it because I like creamer in my tea. Hannah, if you don't cut on the light right now. So that's why I got, no you're not. No you're not. I put creamer in my tea and in my coffee because I'm a proper Englishman, so I put it in my tea. Hot tea. And then these are Kool-Aids. And all these are Kool-Aids. Just so y'all, you see, like Kmart when hold on. And then like 2 miscellaneous where I got this. It was, you put this in your cup and then you put the second one is like a little K-cup pod thingy. And then when you brew it, like this will already be in your cup. Then the K-cup pod will brew on top of this. You add sugar, mix it up. And so that's what it made. It made peppermint mocha latte. And so that's what this made. So I guess this is just a froth. And then the pod must have been peppermint mocha latte. But of course I drank all the pods. And then these are the carnation breakfast. I got that for the girls, but they don't like it. So, still have it. Oh, that one. That's one of my coffees. Here is my cornstarch. I got this just for a thickener because when I make my Olive Garden chicken, which got the recipe from Tina Phillips from Family... Philip Van Bam. She makes Olive Garden chicken. So, of course, I shop at Sam's. So, I got that big container. $2 at Sam's. At Sam Club, that is. Then I got pudding, which I bought this in December, which needs to go right here. Because it's out of place. It was not supposed to be in here. Then this actually is not supposed to be here either. This is like one of my coffees. This needs to go over here. Okay. Oh, did we not? Hold on. I might can start one because I got extra baskets. Dang it. I don't think we got a basket started for the little thingy. Okay, so there we go. That's all my tomato pastes, which I put in my chili. So that is now. And I don't know what this is. Oh, ginkgo biloba. I don't take it. I bought this because I liked the cookie butter from Sam's. I do not like this. I got this from Trader Joe's. I do not like it. Very first time and last time that I went to Trader Joe's. I'm just like, I'm not a Trader Joe's person. These are peppermints. I repurposed these jars. And I just put peppermints in there because I bought the peppermints to crush up and put in stuff. This is my chicken broth. And yes, it says organic, I think. No, this ain't the organic one. Anyways, got that during November. Then we already ate the M&Ms. But I repurposing this. I haven't opened my chia seeds, but these are my chia seeds. I like putting it in my tea or coffee, waiting for them to gooey up. And after they gooey up, I like sucking them through the straw. Yes, I am weird. And then these are just extra coffee pods. They do have coffee in them. And see, right now that's what I'm drinking, the hazelnut. And then that's just regular black coffee. And then I have some hot chocolates in here. But the hot chocolates was Gary's. And then Gary never drink. He never drank them all. And then in that basket back there is 2 things of vinegar. Okay, now coming on around. These are all green beans. That's beefy mac and should be a mixture of SpaghettiOs with and then these are same thing, SpaghettiOs, raviolis, SpaghettiOs with meatballs, SpaghettiOs without meatballs. I don't like them with meatballs, the girls, and it depends on if they like it. It depends on the day. So, and then these are, this one is rice, and it's this type of rice. I got this when Trump shut down the government because they was like, you gotta get rice, and I was like, okay. And then in these 2 right here is actually these type, because I got like 6 boxes, and in each box I think 12 came. 6 cheddar broccoli and 6 chicken flavor. So I got like 6 broccoli. Yeah, I got 6 boxes. So that was 36, right? If I'm doing my math right. 36 of these packages. So some right here, and then some in these 2 bins. And then right here is just actually 2 more that's supposed to go right here. And then these are macaroni. All that's macaroni. The girls does not like the macaroni. That they don't like this one. And so, like, anytime somebody is like, oh, you got any macaroni? I'm like, yes, and I give it to them. Because I don't like it, and the girls won't eat it. And then mashed potatoes, which is the big old bag. That's the bag that's open. I have another one. And then up under here is just elbow macaroni, noodles. No cheese, just elbow macaroni. That's what I make my mac and cheese out of. Okay, I guess let's go down here while I'm right here. And right here is sauce, like spaghetti sauce, salsa, hot dog chili, and diced tomato. Only got like 1 or 2 diced tomatoes. I like putting it in my chili. This is tomato paste, which y'all just seen me basket up. Here's some pinto beans, kidney beans, dark and light kidney beans. See, it should be 1 or 2 cans of black beans. And that ain't supposed to be right there. That's vegetable soup. But I will leave it until I find the soup. And I don't see it right off. But these are supposed to be just beans. And then here's my extra baskets with the if I say Walmart. Oh, that's the soups. See if you move stuff, Peter. If you move stuff. I went to Dollar Tree and got these baskets. I love these baskets. But these are just extra baskets. Everything in here is just chicken noodle soup. Now, behind this is some oil and gloves. And then right there is emergencies. The stuff that you take when you start to get sick. Let me put this back. And then I have an empty one of these back here because I was seeing if these fit, which I like these. So I'm going to order a box of them very soon. Oh, did I not go all the way around? I'm sorry, guys. I didn't. Okay, macaroni, rice, spaghetti, then corn. Sorry, corn. I didn't show y'all this. And then fruit snacks. The canned chicken. I love this canned chicken. Got it from Sam's. And then tuna. And then canned tuna. Which I'm ordering some more because I'm only down to 2 cans. And 2 cans of that and 1 can of tuna. And then Pop-Tarts, which looks like the girls has been in, so I'm going to have to clean that basket out. All that is Pop-Tarts. Coming around, gravy. These are all just white gravy. Now, I am Southern, and, new video, okay. And, but so, gotta have your white gravy with some biscuits. Now, this is Mount which goes over here with sauces. That's cream of chicken, which goes with the chicken noodle soup. This is carnation. So white gravy. And then right here is avocado and green onion dip. Now, no, I do not, Alfredo and green onion. This is just for chicken. That's why both of them are together. Because if I put chicken in the pressure cooker, I'll open up 1 or 2 packs, depending on how many chicken breasts I use. And I throw that in there with it and as a sauce. Here is chicken gravy. I think that's all that's in this one. Yeah, because the chicken gravy will be just for mashed potatoes. Yeah, that's why that basket's not full. And then this is kind of a rollover of the chili. Because I got chili and taco seasoning together. Because that will go, that's just for chili. Like, that's what I do for chili. Yeah, see, here's taco seasoning. And then I got the chili. But that's what I put in for chili. Because sometimes I like it like a little bit more savory. And that's why. You know what? While I'm standing here, guys, I know y'all are like, this is a long video. Hurry up. I am trying. Because I got a basket that's empty, I'm going to put my puddings. This is the last of them. Now, I know y'all probably like, okay, girl, you just have junk. I do just have junk. I do just have junk in my pantry. But that's because I want to, like when I have a sweet tooth, I want to make sure I got something sweet when you know, when the girls do something good or they want a dessert, I want to make sure. Let me get this one. Put it. Okay, where am I going to put it? I don't know where I'm going to put it. I can put it back. I'll put it up here with the cookie butter just for a second. And then, so yeah, so that's the rollover. And then here is brown gravy and au jus sauce. This is for when I make meatloaf. Not meatloaf in the sense of hamburger meat, putting everything together, putting it in a loaf pan. No, it'd be like, sort of like the banquet meatloaf. I open up, it depends how many I cook, 1 or 2 packs of these. See, this is the au jus. And then here's just brown gravy. Brown gravy works best. And then 1 or 2 packets of these. Let's say like 6 or 8 hamburger patties. A little bit of minced onion. Water, of course, which I mix it up to recipe. You know, I mix it up like this. And then I pour it over it. So I just don't pour it over dry. And then right here is olives. I love olives. That one's not open, so put that up there with snacks. That's the last of that one. And then cream of wheat. Love, love, love cream of wheat. The girls love it when they get in a mood where they was like, I want cream of wheat. They eat a lot of cream of wheat. So, so yeah, so that's that. Okay, this is the overflow of spaghetti noodles and macaroni. This is beans. This is, what is this? Looks like energy drinks and this and that, this and that, that and this. This is granola bars. I love this. It's granola bars. And then that's popcorn. That's the popcorn Hannah was telling you about that she did. I got it at eye level, so if they say they want something, be like, okay, what do you want? And then here is the muffins. And then that's just add water, mix it together, muffins. And last but not least, let me get my little thing that has gotten beat up. Is, last but not least, is onion soup and noodle soup. Now, these go in like mashed potatoes. They go in recipes like mashed potatoes, macaroni. I usually use them for seasonal items, so you know, that's why I have so many, because I don't use them often. They're just seasonal items, just to add a little bit of flavor. Like if something needs onions, and as you see, I don't know. And if you see, I don't have any minced onion, so that's what this will come in is the onion soup. So just a regular Lipton's onion soup. If something needs minced onions. So typically mashed potatoes, yes, I know, I put onions, I put cream cheese in my mashed potatoes along with butter and milk, and I cook it in chicken broth. So like I don't cook my mashed potatoes in water. I cook it in chicken broth. And then I add all that fat. And yes, I am fat. I do know that. And the reason why I do that is because my girls are underweight. And if they will eat it, that's how I fix it. So that they can gain weight. I risk my health for my girls. Alright, are you ready to taste this little? Tell him I'm ready.
Hey, Mom is
Oh, I forgot to show y'all the ramen noodles. That's an extra sandwich bag. I'm ready to try it. And then there's some bags down there. And then there's some ramen noodles. I think that's chicken and shrimp. That's beef. No, just chicken. So, chicken. And then there's beef. And then there's